Welcome back, broskies. Today I got a very special topic for you. Today we're going to be talking about cryptos on Robinhood, which ones you could buy, and what they do, what are they, and let's just jump right into it. All right, and honestly, if you ever thought about getting into crypto and you think it's dangerous, risky, the safest bet you could put your money in is Bitcoin. So there you go. And you guys didn't know Bitcoin actually does have kids. Yes. On Robinhood, you could actually buy Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV, which stands for Bitcoin's Satoshi's Vision. So you could look into those, but I mean, I don't really see. I don't see why. But coming in at number 2 is Ethereum. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I basically explained it. The best explanation you can find on YouTube. Just kidding. The real best explanation is Whiteboard Crypto. I mean, you could go ahead or just other YouTube videos, but I mean, I think I did pretty good. Ethereum is actually a smart contract blockchain, so you could build. It's like an ecosystem of a bunch of different dApps, and it's like its own world on the internet, sort of. And speaking of blockchains and smart contracts, next one that we're going to be talking about is Solana. Solana is literally the same thing as Ethereum, as in like it's a smart contract blockchain. And it has its own ecosystem. You can build stuff on it. The only difference is that it's a lot faster. Well, it's like way faster. It's cheaper, but the only thing that people hate on it for is that it's less decentralized. In crypto, there's actually this thing called a blockchain trilemma, which means it's like a triangle, and every corner has different aspects of basically a blockchain. So on the left, we got security. On top, scalability. And on the third, we got decentralization. So usually, a crypto would fall more heavily between 2 and lack the third. So to get the perfect crypto, you have to give one of these up. At least for the most part. But basically, Solana is scalable, it's secure, but it's not decentralized. So I mean, yeah, there you have it. Through just, oof, oh my god. So Polygon is a layer 2, and basically it just lives on top of another chain, and it's just there to help out with transactions. It makes it a lot quicker and cheaper, so mainly it's just there to help out with scalability problems. Let's start talking about the DeFis. So the decentralized finance cryptos that live on Robinhood are Compound and Uniswap. So Compound is basically a DeFi lending protocol that allows users to earn interest on their cryptos. Uniswap is a DEX. You could decentralized exchange, and you can buy any crypto. Basically, you just gotta connect your wallet, and I mean, yeah, that's about it. Now, following that, I'm gonna talk about Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is basically a peer-to-peer currency that's also known as a meme coin, also known as a shitcoin, also known as a gambling coin. So yeah, it's just it's meant to be just a coin for a community and peer-to-peer, so me and you could change Dogecoins. Oh, actually, I forgot to mention, I'm actually doing a Dogecoin giveaway, so if you want to learn anything about that, just watch to the end of the video. Hello? What's up? Who's in trouble? Here, I'm gonna go outside real quick, check it out. Fucking hell. Alright, I just need to drive slow now. Oh, that's... Just let me park. Zip ties? Thank you. Couple of zip ties. It's not hitting the wheel no more, so we should be okay. We're back back on the road. My God, it's always something. But now the plastic is holding up by zip ties, as you saw. So we're good. All right, so let's get back to the video. All right, so some of the things that I was saying is that if you want to invest in the crypto, bro, just go with Bitcoin. Like, don't overcomplicate things. Just buy Bitcoin and hold it, and then that's it. Next up, we got Dogecoin. Dogecoin is just a joke that's gone way too far, but it's cool. So, I mean, shit, go ahead, put your money in it. I want to touch bases on Litecoin. As a Litecoin has been around since forever, since the beginning of crypto. But honestly, at this point, it's just like that one friend. Wait, hold up, let me scratch. Not even that friend. It's just, you know, that one person who's just always like in the corner and hanging out, but no one knows who he is at a party. Like, that's who he is. He's that one dude just sitting in the corner. No one knows about him. Well, everybody knows about him, but no one actually knows him. It's weird. It's a weird thing. Like, it's a weird thing to be a Litecoin. Like, there's Litecoins in our lives. Like, you could see it. You know those people. Shiba Uno, bruh. Just, I mean, honestly, I guess. If you, oh man. Whoever's here at the end, I'm gonna treat you guys right. Since you made this far, just comment down your Ethereum address. Oh, this is only for Robinhood users too. Robinhood users, if you have a Dogecoin address, comment down below or paste it in the comment section, and I'll give you 500 Dogecoin. First one to do it, I don't know, wins 500 Dogecoin. Now, if you ask me, that's like 500 bucks in like a couple months. So yeah, just win 500 bucks. Go ahead. Just because you know. The funny thing is, like, no one's gonna reach to the end, so like you're gonna be like the only winner. So congratulations, I'm proud of you. Yeah, just get that money and let's run with it. All right, I'll catch you guys later if I have anything else to say. Oh, also, I'm actually doing posting a link where you could chat with me. So yeah, it's gonna be in Calendly. So you just schedule a meeting and it's completely free. I just want to talk to you guys, and that's basically it. Am I lonely? Yeah, but that's not the main. It's the main reason why I have that. But yeah, just book me. I'm free.